In 1964, a vision began to take shape in India, a vision called Sulphur Mills Limited. Today, after almost 5 decades, Sulphur Mills Limited has established itself as one of the largest manufacturers of the new delivery system-based crop protection products in the world.
In 1993, when we brought this technology of water dispersible granules and suspension concentrate to India, no one had even heard about it.
Sulphur Mills Limited not only has a strong domestic presence, but also an international one. In India, as in other countries, Sulphur Mills products are sold under the widely respected REAP brand, trusted by millions of farmers across the globe. Domestically, we have 5 products as national leaders in their segments, and we enjoy a vast network of over 4,500 dealerships across the country. Sulphur Mills has been cited as one of the world's leading companies from an emerging region by Agro, the world's leading international agriculture magazine.
It is our vision to be globally preferred center of specialty crop protection and nutrition formulations.
A sustained drive to obtain registrations across the globe, including in the USA, Australia, Brazil, the European Union, and South America, to name a few, has enabled Sulphur Mills Limited to export its products to over 80 countries across all continents.
We may not be the largest in terms of numbers, but Sulphur Mills Limited is definitely reputed for its quality, innovation and fair pricing around the world.
A large portion of our exports to these countries, as well as for those in the Middle East, Africa and Asia, take place in our own brands, very proudly carrying the Made in India tag across the world. Having painstakingly earned a reputation within the industry and trade for the quality of its products and business practices, for integrity and dependability, Sulphur Mills is also well known for innovation in manufacture.
Sulphur Mills Limited and innovation go hand in hand. You cannot separate them one from another.
In 1993, Sulphur Mills Limited became Asia's first and one of the earliest manufacturers in the world to develop the technology for water dispersible granules, suspension concentrates, micro-encapsulations, and capsulated suspensions. Our technologies are also introduced in over 80 countries, where our value-added formulations are widely used. Sulphur Mills' proficiency over its formulation technology has enabled it to develop various strategic alliances with large MNCs globally for development and marketing activities. Sulphur Mills Limited has invested heavily in setting up state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities for WDG and various types of capsulated suspensions using multiple actives, and is now the world's leading producer of sulfur-based and other various crop protection products for application in agriculture. Over the past 2 decades, Sulphur Mills Limited has expanded the manufacturing capacity for various agrochemicals and formulations, and the recent new manufacturing facility shall make Sulphur Mills Limited the largest WDG manufacturer in the world.
We wish to operate as a world-class specialty crop protection formulation manufacturing company, incorporating the latest technological advances with ethical practice, and by providing quality crop protection at a reasonable cost.
Sulphur Mills Limited's more recent advanced delivery type formulations are extremely efficient, requiring lower dosage of active ingredients, which helps to reduce incidence of residue and resistance. Since these formulations are largely solvent-free, they are not only safer to use, but also environmentally friendly. Sulphur Mills' new formulations include water dispersible granules, suspension concentrates, emulsions in water, capsulated suspensions, flowable suspensions for seed treatment, microencapsulations, oil dispersions and suspensions, dispersible tablets, household formulations like gels, as also next-generation formulations that are in the pipeline, and generic formulations like EC, WP, SL and DP. Sulphur Mills Limited is deeply involved in the development of its new formulation-based products, with a dedicated team of personnel continuously engaged in gathering information to improve existing products and also to explore possibilities of newer products to fulfill the ever-changing needs of the global agricultural market. Our personnel are directly linked to the end users, the farmers, through our strong sales network. These personnel also ceaselessly endeavor to further the awareness of our new formulations and products.
Internationally, we wish to see wherever there is agriculture, there is Sulphur Mills Limited.
To keep up with the ever-changing needs of the market and to build customer relations, Sulphur Mills has been a part of various international fairs for the last 20 years, including CAC, Farm Chemical Asia, Africa, Latin America and Crop World UK.
Formulation development is a hard road. It's less traveled, unexplored. We chose that path many years ago.
Sulphur Mills Limited is the only company in the agrochemical industry in India to have a private dedicated R&D facility. We work on scaling up from lab, pilot to commercialization for different formulations for ourselves and other companies. All of our formulation development here is in-house. Sulphur Mills Limited is further focusing on developing newer, environmentally friendly formulations in order to reduce dosage, human exposure, dermal toxicity and irritation, and cost per hectare.
We have only one goal: to provide our farmers products with maximum efficacy and maximum safety, of course at minimum cost.
Looking at innovations constantly, we strive for new development in niche formulations for the agrochemical, fertilizer, nutrition and household segments.
Sulphur Mills is one of the first Indian companies to achieve various patents in formulation technology.
In keeping with the mission of the company for development of value-added niche formulations, Sulphur Mills has a growing patent portfolio of over 30 Indian patents and around 80 foreign patents, with pending applications in over 20 countries, including the USA, the EU, Australia, New Zealand, and many other countries.
We are always concerned about the environment, but our primary focus is our farmer.
We also endeavor to develop each new product with our own brands in India and the global market, with over 200 trademark applications and over 400 registrations.
We desire to grow from our already existing platform to a much larger scale with our value-added formulations and continue the family legacy.
Sulphur Mills' fast-growing range of products substantially contribute to expanding the frontiers of agriculture and bring smiles to farmers all over the world. Sulphur Mills strives hard to bring products that will be technologically advanced through innovation, so that all of us may continue to reap the benefits.